Hey everyone, welcome to Sanketik live classes. In this class, we will take multiple inputs from the user, convert them into numbers, and perform a simple calculation that directly maps to real-time automation scenarios. In this class, we will take multiple inputs from the user, convert them into numbers, and perform a simple calculation that directly maps to real-time automation scenarios. In order to perform this, first we need to open the BI editor in Linux terminal. Okay, our s- uh, sessions consist of both Python and Linux, right? So here I am going to open the Ubuntu. Okay, so here our today's class name is 1 second. Give me a second. So here, yeah, class underscore multiple input dot py. Classics multiple inputs dot py. Then I'm going to open this one. Yes, it has opened. Now I'm going to insert mode. Then I'm starting the giving input to the terminal num1 equal to. So here we are going to give the multiple inputs in the runtime, and then we used to convert that into integers. By default it will be in strings format. Now we are going to convert the strings into integers, and then we will calculate. After that calculation, we will know the whether it is converted to integers or not. Okay, so num1 equal to input of enter first number. Okay, enter first number. Num2 equal to input of enter second number. Enter second number. Okay, now after that, sorry. So after that, we are going to print the type of the whatever we give the input. Okay, print of type of num1 type of num2. Okay, next. After that, now we are going to convert num1 equal into int of num1. Sorry. caps lock plus num1 next num2 equal to int of num2. Okay, next total equal to num1 plus num2. Okay, next after that we are going to print the total of these num1 and num2. Print of total value is num1 plus num2. Okay, print of total value is total. Okay, now we can save and run the program. Okay, I save and then I'm going to run this. Wait for a second. Here, second terminal I'm going to open. So here I'm going to run this one. Our class name will be, by code name what we have given is class 6 underscore multiple inputs underscore Python class 6 underscore multiple underscore inputs dot py. Okay, now I'm going to see here first we had given input of enter first number, right? So enter first number. So here I am giving 5. Okay, enter second number 10. So here first I had given 5 and then 10, then the type of num1 and num2 here is string only. Okay, after that I had converted it into integer and then calculated. So now after calculating this, now I want to, okay, after converting uh, here insert mode, I'm doing a small change here. Just I'm going to print not here, below of this one, print of type of total. Okay, now I'm saving this one. Okay, WQ. Okay. Yeah. Now in this terminal, I'm going to clear the previous one. And then again, I'm going to see enter first number. Again, I'm giving 5. Again, I'm giving number 10. See, first it is in strings format here. Okay. Now after that, we are converted into integer. That's why it is showing as integer. First string, then integer, then total value num1 plus num2, 5 plus 10, 15. Okay. Uh, okay. I think it is very clear. It's very basic, small thing in the code. Okay. So here multiple inputs are collected using input. So same time we had collected multiple inputs. Okay, after first number, then number input of second number. Okay, and each input is converted into integer using string here. Okay, integer. And next, it is converted values. These converted values are used in calculations also. Okay, here we had converted. I mean, we had calculated the total values. So these kind of logic is helpful in automation validations. Okay, this logic is commonly helpful in automation validations. So where we will use this in real-time automation is while so we are before buying we will add the items to the cart, right? For suppose if you open this one. This is our institute come e-commerce website, right? Okay. But suppose let's say accessories. Okay. Now here, if you want to, yeah, here cart. Yesterday we had added. Now if you want to add to cart this one, okay. Then again it was added. Go to cart. Okay. Total amount will be here. And all items will be in this cart only, right? If you want to add multiple also, 2, 3, like that also we can use. Okay. So these inputs and all will be helpful in this kind of scenarios. Okay, inputs. While taking these kind of inputs, it will be helpful in real-time scenarios while entering the number. Okay, adding to cart, how many items we are adding, like that. And retry count, it will also helpful in retry count plus failure count logic. So while opening the any app, okay, while opening any wait 1 second. Yeah, while opening any e-commerce site or while opening the any website, if it is not loading instantly, okay, if it is not loading instantly, then we need to retry for that one, right? So retry, how many times we need to retry, like that also we can give the number in automation scripts instead of manually refreshing here or by simply clicking reload. We can give the numbers or we can give the certain time period to reload also. After 3 seconds it has to reload, after 5 seconds it has to reload to refresh the web page. Okay, at that time also this code will be helpful. And next, timeout and wait value calculations. So here it is also helpful in timeout sessions. Timeout sessions means if the page is not loading, okay, if the page is not loading, then what we will do. Usually, we will try for 2 to 3 times. Okay, if it is not loading after 2 to 3 times, also we can leave. So, we will set the timeout count. It has to try for 2 times, or it has to try reloading phase for 3 times. If it is not loading 2 to 3 times, then we will stop. or we will stop the test, or we will stop the testing the application. Okay, at the time also we need to set the time, some time. For setting the time, these input of numbers and all will be helpful. Okay, where is our code? Yeah, this input or numbers will be setting, we can set and we can use. Okay, I hope it will be clear. Okay, so now we can write the running nodes for this one. Where is our running nodes? Yeah, here. So in the last class we have discussed about Python type conversions and understanding string versus integer. Today also we did like that only. First we had taken input, and then in the last class first we have taken the input, then we had converted into integer. Okay, but in the last class we have tried with only at a time one input, but in this class we have tried with multiple inputs. Okay, second one, first one, second one, but in last class only one input at a time, like that we tried. Okay, so if you want more detailed explanation about the previous class also, then you can watch our previous class. Okay, next, today's class is about Python multiple inputs, calculations. Python multiple inputs and calculations. So here num1 equal to input of enter first number. Or else we can simply copy the code instead of typing manually. Okay, so key point will be here. Multiple values can be collected from the user using multiple input statements. Multiple values can be collected from the user using multiple input statements. This is a very clear sentence. Okay. Next, turn M1 and M2. Each input must be converted to integer before performing the calculations. So, must be converted to integer before performing calculations. Here we are converting multiple inputs, okay, into integer. Next, so these converted integers will be used in calculating the total. Okay, so here we are calculating the total, right? We need to remember that point as well. And next, here the print uh, is used to display the output. Okay, and here we are also knowing the what is the type of the total, whether it is a converted to integer or it is in string only. Okay, the that that thing also we are addressing here. Okay, so type of total and then print of total value is total. Okay, if you like our content, hit the like button and share this with Python beginners. Share this with Python beginners. In the next class, we will introduce conditions to make automation decisions. In the next class, we will introduce conditions to make automation decisions. Thanks for watching. See you in next class.